Hey, it's Al Williamson with leadinglandlord.com. I'm in one of my rental arbitrages, and this one it doesn't have a bathroom exhaust fan, and we're getting a little bit of mold buildup on the ceiling, so I want to paint it with this KILZ anti-mold paint and see if that will work in lieu of an exhaust fan. So follow along. So what I'm doing is I'm taping off the wall and ceiling. I'm going to paint the ceiling with a KILZ product that has a anti-mold agent to it to stop this growth. Here's what it looks like. You can see some spots growing. That's above the shower here. And we're going to paint this ceiling, make it look nice. So right now I'm putting up some blue tape so I can have a nice crisp line. And the ceiling is going to be super white and the walls are kind of creamy tan. Okay, I got the whole bathroom ceiling all taped off, so it's going to come out nice. I want to mix up the paint really good so I get some good coverage. Okay, I got the first coat on, and I did a little bit of back rolling. I'm glad I had the tape there. And what I got to do now is go in with the brush and get right against the edge, right there. Okay, I got the first coat on all the way, and I touched up the edges, make sure I got paint close to the edges. It feels a lot brighter in here with this white ceiling on, and I think it's going to make a big difference. Not only will it prevent the mold, but it's going to reflect the light. It's going to look good. Now, this place does not have a exhaust fan, and I don't want to trouble the landlord to put one in, which is really needed, but this is an older building. So this is going to be a big improvement for him. After it's all cleaned up, I'll let him know what I did. So here it is the next day. It looks great. I think it's going to hold up. It's going to passively prevent mold, and that's what we need in this small type of bathroom. Check it out, try it out for yourself, see if it helps you as well.